Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure your Samsung phone is ready. Sign into the Google account you want to use and turn Sync on so events transfer. Next, install or update Google Calendar from the Play Store. This ensures you have the latest features and bug fixes. When you open Calendar, grant permissions for contacts, calendar, and notifications so invites and alerts work. Once done, tap the plus icon to add your first event and follow prompts. This gets you into action immediately. You'll now create and customize events so the calendar reflects your life. Tap the plus icon to add a title, pick date and time, and add a location. Set a notification 10 minutes or custom to get reminders. Make sure to choose the correct calendar from the drop-down, work, personal, or shared, so items sync where you expect. You can color code events and set repeats, add guests for collaboration, and attach files or notes to keep context in one place. Once saved, verify it appears on the month view. Finish by ensuring everything syncs and is easy to access. Go to Settings, Accounts, Google, then enable Calendar Sync. If events don't show, open Calendar app and pull down to force a refresh. Add a home screen widget for a quick glance and one-tap event creation. Widgets save time. If sync still fails, clear the Calendar app cache or remove and re-add your Google account. This often resolves stuck syncs. And remember, check device battery optimization settings. Because aggressive optimization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.